Hello everyone, I'm Clover. Welcome to my channel. Let's go to supermarket.
La 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 la. Huh?
Wow, fresh meat. We will need 1 tomato. And cheese.
La 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 la.
Okay, let's cook. We will take the meat out of the box. We use salt and pepper to season the meat. Then fried it. It started to smell delicious. Remember to flip and fry all sides. Done!
Woo!
We need to mix something. Let's put all ingredients in the mixer. I will wait until it blends. Looking good. Take out to the bowl. And then pre-add on bread. It's time for bake. Look at that. So wonderful. In the meantime, take out the onion. Onion will make our dish smell yummy. I love fried onions. We fry it with salt and pepper. Can you smell it? It's all done. Let's take all ingredients out. Don't forget the bread. First, put onion on the bread. Cheese a second layer. Next is tomato. Meat is the main layer. Last thing is basil. It's all set. Let's give it a try.
Mmm, delicious.
Nothing better with sandwich than Coke. Thank you for watching. If you have any idea, please let me know by comment below. I really want to listen to your opinion. Please like and subscribe for me. I will bring more interesting videos.